Let's start with the overview. Abbott Laboratories, with a multinational company, is specializing in healthcare products. With a slogan, "Economy for Life," this is the market leader in a wide variety of areas. Besides that, Abbott operates in many areas of the healthcare industry, including finance segments and analysis. Out includes Similac. The products were developed by Abbott Nutrition brand. Abbott Nutrition is a make-to-stock firm, which is also a subsidiary of Abbott Laboratories, a global pharmaceutical and medical device company. However, the company does use a make-to-order approach of its products, including Similac infant formula. This means that the company uses a forecasting model to predict Similac product demand and adjust monthly production accordingly. Now, let's look at our policies. With the mission, live your best life, now and in the future, Abbott is committed to helping you live your best possible life through their products and services. The mission is to give global health care that improve life and deliver value to all stakeholders, and is also to be a responsible corporate citizen. Committed to environmental sustainability and social responsibility, the company strives to achieve this by providing innovative products and services, operating with integrity and excellence, and investing in R&D. And the goal is not just to have people live their best life through technology, it's also to make the important work sustainable for the future. Abbott Nutrition prioritizes all the winning features, focusing on competitive demands to influence customers' product purchasing decisions. Abbott Nutrition is committed to providing affordable service and products. Always continually, they aim to improve high-quality offerings to meet the past demand of all generations and all changing circumstances. With a large distribution channel around the world, they are able to fulfill customer requirements of goods volumes. They advocate their slogan through small model and supply chain strategy. To pursue their policies, Abbott Nutrition devises a long-term sustainable supply chain strategy like Planet. Abbott reducing costs while helping the planet by reducing carbon dioxide emissions associated with their business operations, or conserving water and reducing waste. Next is community. Beyond business, Abbott share their expertise in signing with others to help address critical needs and build healthier and stronger communities. The third is people. Employees enjoy comprehensive benefits that have been succeed in both work and home life. Some notable programs include the Professional Management Development Program for new graduates and the Leadership Training for Abbott talents. The fourth is business. Initiate a nutrition supply chain to boost dairy farmers' income while ensuring a high-quality milk supply for their nutrition business. And the last is brands. With core value dedicated to bringing scientific research to serve human health, so they outsource non-core activities like manufacturing to enhance efficiency and better meet the customer demands. The company also prioritizes value, cost minimization, effectiveness, efficiency, and sustainability, and they aim at surviving longer and competing better than their competitors. Abbott Nutrition supply chain strategy focuses on 7 rights, including right time, volume, receivers, play, price, quality of service, products.
The SCOR model is a tool used by supply chain professionals to analyze, evaluate, and optimize various processes that work to keep supply chains running efficiently. There are 4 steps in the SCOR model, including source, make, deliver, and return. Abbott Nutrition makes a significant effort to get lean supply chain, so the company tries to get lean in all the steps, which means that they get lean suppliers, lean procurement in sourcing stage, lean production during manufacturing, lean warehousing, lean logistics, and lean customers. So firstly, let's talk about the way Abbott gets lean suppliers and lean procurement in their sourcing stage. The raw materials and ingredients of Similac infant formula vary depending on the specific product, but they typically including non-fat gram milk, lactose, vegetable oils, vitamins, and minerals. Besides the fact that Abbott Nutrition sources milk from various countries, including Ireland, New Zealand for its manufacturing facility worldwide, they also source the raw material and ingredient locally. Through local sourcing, they get high-quality, cost-efficient ingredients to manufacture their products locally. They also source vitamin and mineral suppliers and other ingredient suppliers. About their indirect suppliers, they have packaging suppliers, logistic and transportation suppliers. Their logistic and transportation suppliers transport raw materials and components to their facility. Abbott Nutrition engages strategy sourcing. This strategy entails collaborating closely with the network of suppliers around the world. They use ERP system and other e-procurement tools to have better visibility into inventory level, supplier performance, and compliance. And more importantly, to manage the information exchange that the suppliers could see into the customer operations and vice versa. The company also uses JIT inventory for its raw materials and packaging materials. This means that the company only orders the materials when needed. Although Abbott makes a significant effort to get lean in the sourcing stage, they also face some challenges. They may run out of raw materials due to shipment delays or disruption in supply chains caused by natural disaster, trade conflicts, political instability, or labor strikes.
the manufacturing process of Similac. First one is the raw material preparation, and this one is we have the main ingredients of Similac are non-fat milk, lactose, whey protein concentrate, and after that is the vegetable oils like rice or like flour oil, soy oil, coconut oil. And we also have the vitamins and minerals to meet the nutritional requirements of the baby, the prebiotics, which are either identical or similar in the breast milk. After that, we're gonna come to the blending one. In this one, first one, we gonna blending. Well, we mix in the powder formula, like mix the main ingredients, or like oil, or some kind of vegetable oils and vitamins and minerals. And after that is we adding the prebiotics. And as well as the flavor, it can be the vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry, or other flavors that based on that product. And after that, we will blending the powder formula, the prebiotics, and the flavor as well. After that, we have the liquid paste, and this liquid paste we're gonna come through the homogenization as well as the pasteurization to kill any harmful bacteria and ensure the safety. And now we come to the filling process. In this one, we follow these steps. Filling the cans and pouches. The powder formula is then filled into cans and pouches using a filling machine and dispenses the exact amount of formula into each container. And the cans and pouches are then sealed, labeled, and coded with the expiration date or the lot number. They're also testing the cans and pouches using various methods like weight checking, metal detection, vacuum testing, and microbiological testing. And yeah, after that, then we distributing the cans and pouches to the market and ship to the market. Yeah, of course, they will need to follow a lot of things about quality controls. And the Abbott, they need to follow the applicable regulations and standards set by the FDA and other authorities for the infant formula production, such as registration, notification, labeling, monitoring, verification, testing, and inspection. And they need to conduct a lot of microbiological testing at multiple stages of their manufacturing process, from the raw materials to the finished good products, to ensure the safety and quality of that formula. And Abbott, they also have a state-of-art quality control lab at its Sturgis, Michigan facility, where it tests the formula nutrition to contain quality, stability, and shelf life. And Abbott, they discards any patches of the formula that do not meet its high standard of quality and safety. During the manufacturing process, they will try their best to minimize the cost as well as they still maintain the quality of it. So they apply continuous layout with production system, like they use the ERP or the MPS, and they utilize a variety of lean manufacturing process techniques like the compound or the TPM or the 5S as well as the JIT production. And this one is aimed at avoiding the waste disposal in their production lines as much as possible and producing what the customer wants as well as decreasing the cost while maintaining the high quality. Yes, during this procedure of manufacturing Similac, they also need to face some challenges. Now we're gonna discuss about the sustainability risks. They use a large amount of weight. They may generate a large amount of waste, such as the plastic or metal, paper, etc. So this one, they may pollute the environment and harm the wildlife as well as the human health. But the high-tech risks, the manufacturing process of the Similac may use artificial intelligence and machine learning to optimize the production process. So they may pose some ethical issues like bias, discrimination.
Okay, Abbott Nutrition has a global distribution network that ensures products are available to consumers in over 100 countries around the world. Talking about transportation modes, the company prioritizes lean logistics, from transporting raw materials in the procurement to delivering the finished goods to their final customers, thanks to the effective utilization of cross-docking, including receiving, sorting, and shipping. To get lean logistics, the company tries to optimize mode selection and pooling orders. Transportation is the most common mode of transportation used by Abbott. Trucks are used to transport products for domestic or local distribution centers because of their flexibility and door-to-door capabilities. As you can see from the picture, which illustrate the contribution network of Abbott Nutrition in the USA, while the red dots on the map represent for the company's warehouses and distribution. The blue lines represent for the major shipping routes that Abbott Nutrition distributes in the USA. Thanks to its low cost and little environmental impacts, rail is used to transport large volumes of products
over long distance. Ship transportation is used for overseas shipping. Air freight is used to transport to the customer in the remote areas, and in case Abbott Nutrition need to fulfill the requirements of speed and time, the company is also exploring new transportation technologies such as autonomous vehicles and drones to improve the efficiency and sustainability of its transportation operations. The company is also emphasized backhaul minimization to reduce the unexpected waste of time and money. Talking about warehouse activities, the company utilizes a variety of methods to control their warehouses. First of all, they manage the SKUs, standing for stock keeping units of Similac batch ID and expiry date. The warehouse workers will categorize the similar products by age group, stage, and formula type. The company also works closely with its retailers and distributors to determine the high-value SKUs, which helps them to make informed decisions about which similar products to stock and how much inventory to keep on hand. Abbott Nutrition uses the hub and spoke system to expedite the delivery products to final customers. The hub and spoke warehouses are located in potential regional areas. Those distribution centers receive similar infant formula from production plants and operate as order consolidation, stock control, as well as the delivery products to their customer quickly and cost effectively. The hub and spoke system is also flexible and scalable. Abbott Nutrition can easily add or remove warehouses as needed to meet the changing market demands or recall their products in case there are any problem with their products. As you can see, the yellow circle, the company works with the third-party distributors to reach customers in other countries and underserved areas. The 3PL providers can help Abbott Nutrition to improve its efficiency and optimize its supply chain because they have expertise in logistics. This means that they could help the company to reach the new customers and markets because they have networks of warehouses and distribution centers around the world. When I attempt to get lean warehousing by using a number of methods mentioned above, Abbott Nutrition might eliminate non-value added steps and waste in the storage process. Talking about inventory management, the company used the economic order quantity model in its inventory management and just-in-time inventory management. The company also used RFID, standing for radio frequency identification tags, to track the movement of products through its supply chain. And safety stock, which is a buffer of inventory that is kept on hand to protect against unexpected increase in demands or disruption in the supply chain. Those techniques help the company to ensure no more waste and no more storage at all, and more important, to assess the high quality Similac formula to their customers. Attempts to get lean logistics. The company has also need to deal with the risks of delivery operations, such as transportation risks and supply chain disruption, and sustainability concerns, such as weather, traffic congestion, cargo damage, raw material shortage, political instability, trade conflicts, and increase in fuel cost. Okay, now we're gonna talk about the final stage of the SCOR model, return. In this final stage, the company also tries to get lean customer. The company owns a large network of distributors and retailers and approaches their potential customer via online and offline connection to assure that their customer could easily buy their products. The company tries to strengthen customer relationships through customer support services such as customer policies, customer return policies, customer helpline, online chat, and email support after purchasing products, and recycling similar formula cans. They also have blogs about healthcare contents and launch volunteer campaigns and donate similar formula products to help infants and toddlers born in remote areas with low living standards. In order to face customer loss, Abbott Nutrition's focus on investing in R&D. The company owns six labs to innovate nutrition products that meet the needs of consumers around the world. Abbott Nutrition is committed to minimizing the environmental impacts of its operation, including the waste disposal of dairy processing of Similac. The company utilizes dairy processing byproducts such as whey protein and lactose as valuable ingredients in other products at feedstock or for biofuel production. They also process organic waste into nutrient-rich compost that can be used for landscaping by establishing on-site composting facilities. Abbott used anaerobic digester to convert organic waste into biogas, which can be used to generate electricity or heat for its operations.